And so guys, without further ado, we're going to add this indicator for the sake of beginners in the market. So you're going to tradingview.com website, and therefore you're going to click on indicators tab. Therefore, under technical, you're just going to type trending market toolkit, this one by Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to appear like this right on our chart. And so guys, without further ado, I would love to explain the features of this indicator so that you can understand it better. So guys, I want us to go directly on settings. As the name suggests, it shows us the trends of the market and the reversals of the market. So guys, under input, you're going to see this option right here showing you show, and therefore you're just going to click on this down arrow right here, and you're just going to see the options given. So number one, you have the trends and the reversals. If you want to see the trends only, you're just going to choose the trends. If you want to see the reversals only as well, you're just going to click on reversals. If you really want to see both of them, you're just going to click on both. And therefore guys, because it is all about learning and therefore understanding this indicator, I want us to use both so that we can see whether it is showing us accurately when it comes to reversals or rather when it comes to trend lines. So therefore guys, I want us to stick to both right now. We have what we call the swing length right here. Right now it is waiting for a 5 candlestick pattern. That's when you're going to see the trend line. So if you put it 20, you're just going to see the difference. Okay, and therefore guys, ensure you're using the trade trigger length as 10. Okay, if that is what you basically want to see, you click on okay. But basically guys, I want to tell you this really depends on the time frames that you're going to use. So if you want to use this, ensure you're using 1 hour time frame and above. But basically guys, we're using the lower time frames. I want us to concentrate on 5 right here. We're going to use 10 right here. So you click on okay. Once you click on okay guys, these are the settings that you're going to use. So here we are on 15 minutes time frame, and this indicator can be used in all the time frames that you really want to see. And so guys, I can basically tell you trends of the market, they're very, very important simply because they connect the highs, as you can see right here, and as well they connect the lows. So it is easy for you to really execute your trades. Okay, and when you see reversals right here, you're supposed to know the indicator is telling you a reversal is basically taking place, but you're supposed to ask yourself, is this reversal really making sense? Simply because guys, you can find a reversal like this one right here. You can really think the market is going to reverse right here, but basically you see the market really proceeding to the downside. So what do you really have to know? Number one, you really have to have confirmations whether you have a reversal like this or rather whether you have a trend line like this. Once you have this guys, you'll be able to really know whether this indicator is giving you the accurate direction of the market, you know. And so guys, what you're gonna do right about now, let's say for instance you got this trend line right about now, and therefore guys, you want to execute your sell order. You're supposed to know that if it is touching all the highs, if you're gonna sell right here, all the candlestick should be basically or rather strictly below this trend line you can see right here. If they tend to be above guys, you can really see buyers are really trying to take over the market, but simply because there was a formation of a head and shoulder right here, you got a reversal right here. You have to ensure as well you know something we call structure break. Okay, if this level right here is broken, candlestick closing below, you're supposed to think of taking your sell order. So the secret of using this indicator is having extra confirmation when you want to execute your trades. So right now here it is basically a trend line, but basically guys, I told you if you wanna buy, there is no way candlestick should close below this. If you wanna buy, if there will be a retest, or rather if there will be manipulation taking place, candlestick should close above for you to continue executing your buy order, just as you can see right about now. So the secret is actually paying attention on how the market is moving. If you're gonna say right here, and you can basically say this is a lower high, there is no way price should break above or should close below, and that's why you can see price was really reacting to this red line right about now. And it breaks above, like for instance right here, you can think the market is continuing to the upside, but basically you can see it didn't. Later on it broke below this one right here. So be very careful when it comes to highs and lows, and that's why you can see here was a bit really confusing, simply because it broke above this, but when it got to this, guys, you can see price really reacted to it. So that is what you're supposed to pay attention to anytime that you want to use this kind of indicators by Luxalgo. They are best, guys, but without confirmation you really have to be very, very careful that you might get wrong. So guys, that is what I wanted to show you right in this video. Let me hope it is helpful, guys. It is a great indicator by Luxalgo, but remember again and again, not any reversal that you take and execute straight. Remember that. And therefore, guys, as you know as well, you can use the past data to make decisions when it comes to live market, simply because when you see this swing high, just underline it. If you see this swing low highlighted right here, just underline it. That is the level that will guide you to make decisions when it comes to live market if this has not been highlighted by the indicator. Okay, so that is a lot that you cannot be told by these people talking about indicators, simply because they want you to believe it is working like a charm. But therefore, guys, I've told you exactly what you really need for you to execute your trades. If you really need this kind of content, continue subscribing, liking this video, turning on your notification bell, and you're going to be notified anytime, guys, we have a new video. And therefore, guys, I want to see you in my next video with more great and more eye-opening content like this. Bye, guys.
Listen, traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.